Looking to make something truly special and filling? Then you've got to try our Scotch eggs recipe. It's a fantastic dish that's guaranteed to impress your family, friends, or guests. Let's dive in and create this culinary masterpiece together. We'll start with the eggs. Take 10 fresh eggs and gently lower them into a pot of boiling water. Let them cook for about 4.5 to 5 minutes. You want the yolks to stay slightly soft but not runny. As soon as the timer goes off, carefully transfer the eggs into a large bowl filled with cold water. Add plenty of ice to cool them down quickly and stop the cooking process. Let them chill for a good few minutes, then gently peel off the shells. Take your time with this step to keep the eggs whole and smooth. Next, let's prepare the meat mixture. Grab 500 grams of ground meat. Beef, pork, chicken, or a mix works well. Add a pinch of salt, your favorite spices. Paprika, black pepper, or garlic powder are great options, and a teaspoon of mustard for a little zing. Now get your hands in there and mix everything together thoroughly until the meat is well seasoned and evenly combined. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of water to make it a little more pliable. Then, to get the perfect texture, give the mixture a good beating. Scoop up the meat and throw it back into the bowl a few times. This step helps make the meat firm and easy to shape. Once it's ready, divide the mixture into 10 equal portions, rolling them into balls about 100 grams each. Now comes the fun part. Wrapping the eggs. Take 1 meatball and place it between 2 sheets of plastic wrap. Flatten it into a thin, even patty using your hands or a rolling pin. Remove the top layer of plastic wrap, place 1 peeled egg in the center, and carefully lift the edges of the meat patty to wrap it around the egg. Press the seams together gently but firmly to make sure the egg is completely sealed inside. Repeat this process with the remaining meatballs and eggs. Time to set up the coating station. Prepare 3 bowls, 1 with some all-purpose flour, 1 with 2 eggs beaten lightly, and 1 with a generous amount of breadcrumbs. Take each meat-wrapped egg and roll it in the flour, ensuring it's completely covered. Then, dip it into the beaten eggs, letting any excess drip off. And finally, roll it in the breadcrumbs to get a nice, even coating. This step gives your Scotch eggs that iconic crispy crust, so don't skimp on the breadcrumbs. Heat your oil to 175 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit, in a deep fryer or a heavy pot. Carefully lower one of the wrapped eggs into the hot oil using a slotted spoon or a fryer basket. Fry each egg for about 4 minutes, turning them gently if needed, until the coating turns a beautiful golden brown and becomes irresistibly crispy. Once they're done, lift them out of the oil and place them on paper towels to drain any excess oil. Repeat with the remaining eggs. And there you have it. Your incredible homemade Scotch eggs are ready to serve. These hearty, crispy, and flavor-packed treats are perfect as a snack, appetizer, or even a main course. Cut them in half to reveal the beautiful layers inside and watch your guests' faces light up. Trust us, this dish is a showstopper that'll have everyone asking for seconds. Go ahead and give it a try. You won't regret it.